Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. If not, do understand and get that your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Let's go inside and see what they have. Well, I'm going to see if they have them. Okay, family, so first up, they have these little cute backpacks, okay, which are $1.25. They okay, honey, if you don't have this pumpkin spice thing, the next time I come in here, I'm going to definitely get this. This smells so good. I don't know how long it may last, though, but, honey, it smells absolutely good. And, of course, somebody had opened it, okay, and I just, sprayed it just to see, okay. It smells really good. Then they also have these right here. I had told you guys I had brought, no, I smelled this one, the brown vanilla sugar scent, and I said I was going to get this, but I didn't get it that day. And if you guys get the apple cinnamon scents, I had brought these before, okay? Don't stay, I mean, when you first enter the home, you can smell it if you have it like right by the door, but other than that, throughout the house, these are not strong, at least to me. But this pumpkin spice scent, honey, it is okay with me. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have this hydrogel eye and lip mask, okay, for your eyes and also for your lips. Really cute, collagen and watermelon lip mask. These makeup bags, I could never get enough of seeing these, okay? These are makeup bags, Dream Big, $1.25. These are so cute. Look at this. You wouldn't think that you spent $1.25 for this. And Dollar Tree is definitely doing it with the nails, okay? Oh my goodness, these nails, child. And not only are they doing it with the nails, but these nails are $1.25. And look at the cases that they're coming in. Okay, these cases are really good. I'm impressed. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these crossbody bags. How cute are these? They come in black and also in red. And honey, they also have the polka dot one. These are absolutely cute. So if your birthday is during Halloween time, okay, they have these little balloon weight, okay, to keep the balloons and stuff down. All right, then they also have this. Ooh, child, honey, come on, Dollar Tree, not the rats, okay. All right, and then they have these cute plates right here, the Halloween themed plates, the napkins. Then they also have some more plates right here, the cat, the kitten, and then they have this, okay, look at the avocado, honey. Oh no, child, that's a witch. Have these light up fabric optic roses over here, the mini tent pills, okay, the skeleton arm. This is so cute, okay. More mini tent pills. They come in different colors, okay. Really cute. So these are pretty much like the same Dollar Tree that I just did. The party favors, very cute, very nice. And then they also have the vampire blood. I showed you guys that before. Okay, so they also have this purple LED light bulb. Then these party bulbs over here. Okay. Okay, they also have this wall border. This is cute. Okay. And then they have the Halloween hanging DIY house that you could paint and do. Really cute. Okay, these little skeleton graves, okay, containers, these are really cute. Look at you. I love this. They come in different colors. They have the clear one. They also have a multicolor one right here. Really cute. They also have these stickers over here. Very cute. And then they also have some more socks. Weekly planner, which is really good to help you get organized. Okay, they also have these mesh tubes, and you guys know Dollar Tree have the little leaves and stuff like this. So with these mesh tubes, you could put like the little Halloween leaves on here and then create something like this, like a garland or something. And then they also have the bulbs and then a Halloween trees up here. Okay, these cups right here, I absolutely love them. And I had showed you guys last time that they also had these cups. These cups right here, they went so quick. This whole shelf right here, it was filled with these cups, these type of cups. But honey, they hurried up and brought these before anybody business. Okay, they also have these color cups. These are really cute. Then they also have these cups up here, like the little children cups, and then these over here. These kind of remind me of just like the coffee cups and stuff here. These are really cute as well. These notebooks right here for journaling are so cute. Really cute. $1.25, honey, not bad. Then they also have these vacay. Oh, this is really cute for journaling. And you guys know, like, the type of books I like, especially when I'm journaling, I love the lines. Honey, don't give me no book with no lines, okay, without the lines. And then they also have this right here, which is cute as well, to take notes and stuff like that. Very cute. Did I tell you guys before that they also have like the Bible and stuff? I was like, honey, as shocked as you are, okay, that they sold the Bible. They also have these book series right here, Deanie, okay, let me see, Blum, I guess, okay, all these books and stuff like that. Dollar Tree, you know, they okay with me. I done told you guys that time and time again. We also have these 2025 calendars, big print 2025 12-month calendar. And one of the reasons I absolutely love having like the big calendars visual as opposed to looking on your phone, because this helps you stay organized. Okay, you write down exactly the things that you need to do. Really cute. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these new microfiber washcloths. Okay, 5 comes in a pack. I don't really care for these because when you wash them, to me, they don't really do that much considering that they are so soft. But if you like it soft, the rag soft when you wash it, honey, these may be for you. Okay, now they come in different colors. They have this blue. They come in white, also gray and black and green. Really cute. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these bath brushes over here that comes in different colors. And then they also have the shower cap with terry cloth lining, and these come in different colors as well. They also have the exfoliate and stretch cloth. Now, these are the type of rags I absolutely love. And then also these dry brushes, okay. Oregon oil infused microfiber hair wraps they have that comes in different colors. They have the one with the coconut also, and then they also have these brushes over here. Then they also have this citrus infused exfoliate and bath mitt. Very cute. Okay, so they also have this Brazilian mist, okay, that you could just spray on yourself, and it's Power 6 soft floral. Really cute. Okay, so these little bandages is really cute, okay? Shaped bandages. They have the pineapple, okay, the llama, really cute. The baby dino, the unicorn, nice. Okay, so the word around town is this Citrus Love Hair and Body Mist is really good. They say it smells really good. Okay, I don't know. I never tried this before, but they say it smells really good. Also, they have the Vitamin E Body Oil over here, along with the coconut body oil. And these ponds is definitely new as well. Now, this right here is a Perfect Color Complex Anti-Mask for Natural Color, okay, beauty cream, normal to dry. And I had showed you guys these last time, the Lift and Firm eye cream, okay. These go really quick. Okay, so Dollar Tree, they also have these little glass jars for making beverages, the guy said, and these are $1.25. Let me tell you something. I had brought these bottles like this from IKEA. They were way more than $1.25. These are really cute. He also said that they sell out really quick here. And I showed you guys these glasses last time, and then they also have the wine glasses like these with this color. Really, really, really cute. These little storage baskets are really, really cute. So they come in different colors. They have the blue, the green, and the orange. Very cute. Okay, so they have these little glasses right here. Really, really cute. And on here it says decisions are the words. Now, I definitely don't agree with this, but this is cute. Let me know how you guys feel about these little glasses. Okay, so I showed you guys this last time, the candy bucket bags. These are really, really cute. And then they also have the kitchen towels, Halloween theme, and then also the garland decor right here with the skull heads. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the Dollar Tree walkthrough. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.